Exclusive partnership with Token Pocket, the world-leading cryptocurrency exchange OKEx will give away all new users $15 free bonus. Claim your bonus now. There's only 2 steps to enjoy your $15 bonus. You have to sign up on the OKEx exchange, get your account, and pass KYC2 authentication. And the second step is you need to complete one transaction with over $100 of volume for any trading. So the first thing that you do is you get onto the exchange and you deposit over $100, and then you make a trade. So it's very important that you deposit the $100, and the first transaction that you perform on the exchange is a trade. Okay? So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get onto OKEx. And then you're going to go to account and then verification. Click on verification. If it's an individual account or a corporate account, select which one. And then all you need to do is enter your nationality, your full name, and your ID number to get registered. And then after that, you can go to Assets, My Assets, check out and see what type of assets you have. And since I don't have any right now, what I'm going to do is click deposit. And then I can select whatever I want to deposit. Choose whichever network I'm going to use. Make sure if it's Ethereum to use ERC20 or Bitcoin to use the Bitcoin network. And you just complete your deposit. Send it to that address and it'll be in your OKEx account. So thank you for taking the time to learn how to earn this bonus, and enjoy the rest of your day.